Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 9.1 question number 1. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. Let us write, this is question number 1. These are the various terms, and these are the coefficients. In question number 1, you see there are two terms. One is 5x y z square, and another term is minus 3zy. Here you see x y z square is multiplied with 5, therefore the numerical coefficient of this term is 5, and the numerical coefficient of minus 3 zy is multiplied with minus 3, therefore the numerical coefficient is minus 3. Now question number 2. In question number 2 there are three terms. One is constant, that is 1, another term is x, another term is x square. Now 1 is multiplied with 1, therefore the coefficient is 1. X is multiplied with 1, therefore the coefficient is 1. X square is also multiplied with 1, therefore the coefficient is 1. Now question number 3. Question number 3 you see here is, in question number 3, there are three terms. One is 4, x square, y square. Another term is minus 4, x square, y square, z square. Another term is z square. Here you see the coefficient of x square, y square is 4, therefore the coefficient is 4. Here the coefficient of this term is minus 4, and z square means the z square is multiplied with 1, the coefficient of z square is, this term is 1, that is 4 minus 4 and 1. Now solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is, now question number 4. Question number 4. These are the various terms, and these are the coefficients. Question number 4. Various terms are 3. Another term is minus pq. Another term is plus qr. Another term is minus rp. The 3 is a constant term. The coefficient is also 3. Minus pq. pq is multiplied with minus 1. The coefficient is minus 1. qr. The coefficient, this is multiplied with 1. Therefore, the coefficient is 1. rp is multiplied with minus 1. The coefficient of minus rp is minus 1. These are the various coefficients. Right? Now question number 5. In question number 5, here you see the various terms are x by 2. Y by 2, and minus xy. Here you see x by 2, that is x is multiplied with 1 by 2. The coefficient will be 1 by 2. Y is multiplied with 1 by 2. The coefficient of this term is 1 by 2. And xy is multiplied with minus 1. Therefore, the coefficient of this term is minus 1. 1 by 2, and minus 1. Now question number 6. Let us solve question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is, now question number 6. This is the question. These are the various terms, and this is the coefficients. Numerical coefficient or coefficient. Right? First term is 0.3a. 0.3a. Second term is minus 0.6ab. and the third term is 0.5b. 0.5b is multiplied with 0.3, therefore the coefficient is 0.3. AB is multiplied with 0.6, therefore minus 0.6 is the coefficient, minus 0.6. And 0.5 is a constant term, therefore the coefficient is also 0.5. 0.5b, 0.5b, b is given here. You see 0.5b. The b is multiplied with 0.5, therefore the coefficient is also 0.5. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.